8286. Which documents are required to be carried aboard each domestic air carrier flight? A. Load manifest or information from it and flight release. B. Dispatch release and weight and balance release. C. Dispatch release, load manifest or information from it, and flight plan. The correct answer is C. Each domestic air carrier flight is required to carry a dispatch release, load manifest, or information from it, and a flight plan. These documents provide important information regarding the flight's authorization, cargo and passenger details, and planned route. They are essential for the safe and efficient operation of the flight. 8288. A domestic or flag air carrier shall keep copies of the flight plans, dispatch releases, and load manifests for at least A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 30 days. The correct answer is A. The air carrier must preserve copies of the dispatch releases, cargo manifests, and flight plans for at least 3 months. 8296. Which documents are required to be carried aboard each flag air carrier flight? A. Dispatch release, flight plan, and weight and balance release. B. Load manifest, flight plan, and flight release. C. Dispatch release, load manifest, and flight plan. The correct answer is C. Flag air carriers are required to carry the dispatch release, load manifest, and flight plan documents aboard each flight. These documents provide essential information related to the flight's planning, operations, and cargo/passenger details. 8287. How long shall a supplemental air carrier or commercial operator retain a record of the load manifest, airworthiness release, pilot route certification, flight release, and flight plan? A. 1 month. B. 3 months. C. 12 months. The correct answer is B. A supplemental air carrier is required to keep a copy of each load manifest, flight release, and flight plan for at least 3 months at its primary operations base. 8291. The certificated air carrier and operators who must attach to, or include on, the flight release forms the name of each flight crew member, flight attendant, and designated pilot in command are A. Supplemental and commercial. B. Supplemental and domestic. C. Flag and commercial. The correct answer is A. Supplemental air carriers and commercial operators are required to attach to or include on the flight release form information on each flight that includes at least the following. 1. Name of the business or organization. 2. The aircraft's make, model, and registration number. 3. The flight's or trip's number and departure date. 4. The name of each pilot, flight attendant, and member of the flight crew designated as pilot in command. 5. The route, alternate airports, and airports at the point of departure. 6. A minimal amount of fuel. And 7. A description of the operating type, IFR, VFR.